who deny it? What I do, I am the best, for my talents are renowned far and wide. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song. Surprised, aren't you?
Happy Halloween, everyone. Welcome to the final episode of House of Bugz. Today I'm going to be turning myself into the Pumpkin King himself. You really didn't think I was going to do a Tim Burton themed series without doing the King of Halloween Town. Anyway, this is my take on Jack Skellington. I wanted to make him very glam, very goth, but still like androgynous, but also girly. I don't know. I just went for it, and this is what happened. Anyway, this is the grand finale of my series. Thank you so much for tuning in all month long. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to miss doing these Halloween looks every day, but honestly, I spookify all year long. Dollskill sent me this costume, and Annabelle's Wigs sent me this wig. These contacts, I believe they're from Pinky Paradise, and they are my favorite contacts in the world. I wish my eyeballs looked like this all the time. Per usual, I will link everything in the description down below if you want to learn how to spookify yourself into this random ass version of Jack Skellington. Then just keep on watching. So first and foremost, we're going to be priming my face. I'm using Kat Von D Beauty's Lock-It Primer. This is just for some hydration and longevity. And then of course, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade White to cover up my entire face. I'm wearing a high neck costume, so I don't need to cover up my neck. Jack is a skeleton, so he doesn't have eyebrows, so we're going to white out ours with the Kat Von D Beauty 24-Hour Brow Pomade in the shade White Out. Obviously, I had to use this palette for the tutorial. This is Hot Topic's new Nightmare Before Christmas palette for the year. It's called Wonderful Nightmare, and I'll be taking the shade Halloween Town, and I'll just be placing that in my crease and lower lash line, and then per usual, blending it up towards my brow bone and down towards my cheeks. And then I'm going to dust a bit of that shade on the tip of my nose. I didn't want to do a typical skeleton nose, even though I kind of wish I did. Then we're going to go in with a base for our black eyeshadow. I use the Wet n Wild one, but I would not recommend this. It's so creamy that it creases a lot and shadow doesn't really stick to it. I wish I went in with my Kat Von D Beauty basket case liner, but that's what I get for trying something new. Anyway, I'm going to blend out the crease with my favorite Frillis Cosmetics blending brush. This is the ME3. Next, we're just going to set it with some black eyeshadow. I'm taking Sugarpill's Bulletproof. For lashes, I'm going to use these lashes from the Bold Face Makeup. They're called Lashes for Days, but I'm going to cover them in a white mascara. The white mascara that I'm using is Sigma Beauty's Embellish Lash. So we're going to just paint them onto the tray and wait till they dry, flip them over, and then paint the other side. Once those coats are all dry, we're just going to pop them on. And then I did the same thing with a pair of lower lashes that I chopped up, and I'm just going to place 3 around my eye, 1 on the outer corner, the inner corner, and the center. Now for lips, I'm going to apply my favorite black liquid lipstick that I have. This is Smashbox Always On Liquid Lip in the shade Tar Pit. I tried to use the liquid lipstick to draw on the smile and stitches, but it didn't end up working out, so I went in with my Kat Von D Beauty Dagger eyeliner. Honestly, any black liquid liner will do. It's just the easiest method to draw these on with. I wanted to add some dimension, so I'm taking that Halloween Town shade and just brushing it over the stitches. It's going to fade out the black liner a bit, but I'll just go over it again with some more liner. So that is it for the look. I just popped on these Solera lenses. I believe that's how you say it, but they are these like blackout contact lenses. If you have any questions about them, just leave a comment. This costume is from Dollskill, as stated earlier. All my jewelry is from Hot Topic, and the wig is from Annabelle's Wigs. Thank you guys so much for watching House of Bugz. I'm so sad that it's over. I really hope you enjoyed the entire series, and hopefully I will still see you soon for more spookifys.